Q. Q is the system of rational numbers, right? The system of rational numbers has the algebraic and ordered properties. Okay, this system has algebraic properties and ordered properties. Okay, we have seen that root 2 cannot be represented as a rational number, right? Because root 2 is an irrational number, we know that, so it cannot be represented as a rational number. Therefore, root 2 does not belongs to Q. That is good. Root 2 does not belongs to Q. This observation shows the necessity of an additional property to characterize real numbers, right? A real number line have both Q and irrational numbers, right? And if root 2 does not belongs to Q, then root 2 where is belongs to root 2? It is in R. Okay, so when root 2 does not belongs to Q, this observation gives an additional property to characterize real number system. This property is called completeness property. What is the meaning of completeness property? R is a complete ordered field. R is a complete ordered field. How? Because every non-empty set of real numbers that has an upper bound also has a supremum in R. Okay, if a set S, if it has X is such that X is bounded by alpha, so this is an upper bound. So X is, this set has supremum also. Supremum means least upper bound. Supremum is least upper bound exist in this set, which is X. Okay, least upper bound exist in this set, which is X in this set. So when this type of sets contained in R, so R is called complete. That is called, R is called complete ordered field. Okay, while Q is not a complete ordered field, because root 2, which cannot be represented as a